Today's video is designed to help you improve your English through listening and shadowing. As you listen to the story, try to focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and understanding. After the story, we will learn 10 important vocabulary words taken directly from the script, with meanings and simple examples. Finally, you will test your understanding with 10 multiple-choice questions based on the story. Make sure you stay until the end and comment how many MCQs you answered correctly. Now let us begin the story. The Statue of Liberty stands tall and silent in New York Harbor, welcoming people from all over the world. For more than a century, it has been a powerful symbol of freedom, hope, and new beginnings. Every day, thousands of visitors look up at this giant statue, but few truly understand the deep history and meaning behind it. The idea for the Statue of Liberty did not begin in America. It began in France in the mid-1800s, during a time when many people were thinking deeply about democracy and human rights. France admired the United States for its commitment to liberty and independence, and French thinkers wanted to celebrate the friendship between the two nations. They believed that freedom was not just an American value, but a universal dream. A French sculptor named Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi was chosen to design the statue. He imagined a massive woman standing proudly, holding a torch high in the air. The torch would represent enlightenment, lighting the path to freedom. In her other hand, she would hold a tablet with a date carved on it. July 4th, 1776, the day the United States declared independence. The statue was officially named Liberty Enlightening the World. This name clearly showed its purpose. It was not only a gift, but also a message to humanity. Liberty was meant to spread light, knowledge, and opportunity across nations. Building such a huge statue was not easy. France agreed to build the statue itself, while the United States was responsible for building the pedestal on which it would stand. Both countries faced financial problems. In France, money was raised through public donations, events, and lotteries. In America, fundraising was slow, and many people questioned whether the statue was really necessary. At one point, the project nearly failed. However, a newspaper publisher named Joseph Pulitzer stepped in. He encouraged ordinary Americans to donate whatever they could. His campaign succeeded, proving that the statue truly belonged to the people. The statue was completed in France and then taken apart into hundreds of pieces. These pieces were shipped across the Atlantic Ocean in 1885. Once they arrived in New York, workers carefully reassembled the statue on Bedloe's Island, which later became known as Liberty Island. In 1886, the Statue of Liberty was officially unveiled. Crowds gathered, ships filled the harbor, and celebrations filled the air. For many Americans, the statue symbolized national pride. But for millions of immigrants, it meant something far more personal. During the late 1800s and early 1900s, immigrants traveled long and dangerous journeys to reach America. When their ships entered New York Harbor, the first thing they often saw was the Statue of Liberty. For them, it was a sign that their suffering might finally end and a new life might begin. Inside the pedestal, a poem written by Emma Lazarus was later placed. The poem, titled "The New Colossus," includes the famous line, "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free." These words transformed the statue into a powerful symbol of immigration and acceptance. Over the years, the Statue of Liberty has faced storms, pollution, and time itself. Yet it has been carefully restored and protected. The torch, crown, and structure have been repaired to ensure that future generations can continue to look up and feel inspired. Today, the statue means different things to different people. To some, it represents political freedom. To others, it symbolizes opportunity, equality, and hope. Even in difficult times, the Statue of Liberty reminds the world that freedom is a value worth protecting. Standing quietly in the harbor, the statue does not speak, yet it communicates a message louder than words. It tells us that liberty is not guaranteed, but it is always worth striving for. It reminds us that millions before us believed in a better future and were brave enough to chase it. Now that you have listened to the story, let us smoothly move into the vocabulary section. These words are important for understanding the story and improving your English. 1. Liberty. Meaning: the state of being free. Example: the statue represents liberty for people around the world. 2. Enlightenment, meaning knowledge or understanding. Example: education can bring enlightenment to society. 3. Pedestal, meaning a base that supports a statue. Example: the statue stands on a massive pedestal. 4. Unveiled, meaning officially revealed for the first time. Example: the monument was unveiled during a grand ceremony. 5. Immigrant, meaning a person who comes to live in a new country. Example: many immigrants arrived in America seeking opportunity. 6. Symbol, meaning something that represents an idea. Example: the torch is a symbol of hope. 7. Fundraising, meaning collecting money for a cause. Example: public fundraising helped complete the statue. 8. Restoration, meaning repairing something old. Example: restoration work protected the statue from damage. 9. Universal, meaning related to everyone. Example: freedom is a universal dream. 10. Inspiration, meaning something that motivates people. Example: the statue continues to be an inspiration. Now it's time to test your understanding with multiple-choice questions based on the story. Listen carefully and choose the correct option. 1. Where is the Statue of Liberty located? Option A, Washington, D.C. Option B, New York Harbor. Option C, Boston Harbor. Option D, San Francisco Bay. Answer: Option B, New York Harbor. 2. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? Option A, England. Option B, Germany. Option C, France. Option D, Italy. Answer: Option C, France. 3. Who designed the Statue of Liberty? Option A, Gustav Eiffel. Option B, Emma Lazarus. Option C, Frederick Bartholdi. Option D, Joseph Pulitzer. Answer: Option C, Frederick Bartholdi. 4. What does the torch represent? Option A, power. Option B, wealth. Option C, enlightenment. Option D, victory. Answer: Option C, enlightenment. 5. What is written on the tablet held by the statue? Option A, a poem. Option B, a list of names. Option C, a law. Option D, July 4th, 1776. Answer: Option D, July 4th, 1776. 6. Who helped raise money for the pedestal in America? Option A, Bartholdi. Option B, Emma Lazarus. Option C, Joseph Pulitzer. Option D, Abraham Lincoln. Answer: Option C, Joseph Pulitzer. 7. What poem is associated with the Statue of Liberty? Option A, Leaves of Grass. Option B, The New Colossus. Option C, Song of Myself. Option D, Liberty Bell. Answer: Option B, The New Colossus. 8. What did immigrants feel when they saw the statue? Option A, fear. Option B, confusion. Option C, hope. Option D, anger. Answer: Option C, hope. 9. In which year was the statue officially unveiled? Option A, 1776. Option B, 1800. Option C, 1865. Option D, 1886. Answer: Option D, 1886. 10. What does the Statue of Liberty mainly symbolize today? Option A, war. Option B, control. Option C, freedom and opportunity. Option D, wealth. Answer: Option C, freedom and opportunity. You have now completed the story, vocabulary, and MCQs. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful for your English learning and shadowing practice, please like and share it with others. Don't forget to comment below and tell us how many MCQs you answered correctly. Your support helps the channel grow, and more learning videos are on the way.